Hello folks. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about the multiplication rule of exponents. So the very first one, we've got a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Now, if we've got two variables with the same base, it could be even three or more, we can add their exponents. We can add m and m. We can go a to the power of m plus n. So again, if you've got two variables with the same base being raised to two different powers, we can just add the powers. The second one, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. The third one, a to the power of 1 is just equal to a. So these two bottom ones we just have to remember. This one here and that one there. But they're pretty simple to remember. Okay, let's dive straight into some problems and it might start to make sense. So I'm going to show you one with the variables the same bases, and then another one without the bases the same. So if I've got x squared times x cubed, well, this one here we've got the same bases. X is the same as this. So they're both the same bases. Both the variables are the same. So we can then just add the powers. So it'd be x to the power of 2 plus 3. When we add these powers, we get x to the power of 5. It's that simple. It's really simple. So what about if you've got different bases? So we had like x to the power of 5 times y cubed. So I'll just draw that a little better. Well, this one here, the bases are different. So this does not simplify. So this would just be simply x to the power of 5 times y cubed, because we can't add the bases are different, so we can't add the exponents. Now what about if we've got one with a constant in it, so or some number. So we've got x to the power of 10 times, I don't know, we'll just go times x to the power of 5 times 3. Well, here we can again simplify it by adding exponents, since the variables are the same. So this would be, but then we just put the coefficient out in front, so we multiply it by that. So we got x to the power of 10 plus 5. We'll just go step by step, times 3. So then we've got x. So we've got 10 plus 5 is 15. So it'd be x to the power of 15, and we just put this 3 out in front there, because we multiply it by this here. Okay, so we know that if we've got a some number in the expression, we just basically put it in front. Or we multiply, we've got other ones. So we've got like x to the power of 6 times, so we had this 3 out in front here, and we've got x to the power of 4 times, say, 4. Well, here we've got again, we've got the same bases, but first of all, the first thing to do is just to multiply the coefficients, or the numbers. So 3 times 4 is 12, and then we go x, 6 plus 4 is 10, so 6 plus 4 is 10, so it'll be x to the power of 10. That's all you do. It's that simple. Okay, I'm going to give you some problems now, and hopefully you do really good at them, because it's a pretty simple law to remember. Okay, so the first one will be, let's have a look, 4, no, actually we'll do x squared. We'll just do a very basic one first. What do you reckon that one will be? Well, if you've got x to the power of 4, you are correct. Give yourself a high five. What about this one here? 3x, this might be a little bit tricky, 3x to the power of 4 times x to the power of 5 times y. See if you can do that one for me. Okay, so if you got 3x to the power of 9 times y, then you are correct, because again we've got y here, so we can't really just rise this to 1 power and add them up, add the exponents. We just put the y because it's a different base to the other ones. So what we do here is we just go 3, we put the 3 out in front, we go x times x, we add the exponents, so 4 plus 5 is 9, so it'll be 3x to the power of 9 times y. Well done. If you got that one correct, I'm really impressed, because that's a pretty tricky one. I hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be some worksheets down the bottom of the description. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you need any help. And catch us later.